Hi girls, want some more food? Ouch, that kind of hurt. She's pecking at the wrinkles in my hand when I fold my hand like this, and that hurt a little bit. No! Ow, she bit me! Ow! What a punk! What a punk. You don't get to eat out of my hand anymore. I guess that's only cute when they're small, so. You live and you learn, I guess. I didn't know you're not supposed to do that. I can't imagine you're supposed to feed them out directly out of your hand at this age. Yeah, she pinched my, see how my hand goes like this? She pinched like my skin as if it was like a treat. What the heck, girl? So rude. So aggro. I also have a suspicion like this one could be a rooster because she's way bigger than the other ones and she is super aggro. Like, look at her. She's like trying to bully me around. Like, bring your hand back down here. But we'll see. Once she's a little bit bigger, I'll look up some pictures and see if it's actually a girl. But I have my suspicions. I mean, look at her. She is massive. So she's supposed to be a white cochin. If anybody knows if this is a rooster, let me know. Alright, girls. Good night. I'll see you later. See you in the morning. Have sweet dreams.